start call me the young general, because General Trees, I said them time there. And then, so now me get more fit, lean to the music, have more time, so I can train myself, practice everything. And then me just get more serious with it when we start meet Major Mackerel with 4 Major Mackerel bus, 4 Cape Town bus, 4 Bingy General, like a Major Mackerel brother bus. So see them a pop in. Yeah, so it's a vibe when you're gonna see people who want DJ.
So how did you get the link with these artists back in the days? You know, the Major Mackerel, the Bingy General, the Reggie Stepper, you name it.
Alright, well, further on, I'm say when we used to the pop in, you used to see Major Mackerel walk from down a tavern, reach up there, which there was an ice box we used to sit down upon and hold a vibe. Cape Town used to do the same thing too. So we know them by seeing them. And when me go back to country now, a couple of years after that now, Major Mackerel bus.
Wow.
So when Major Mackerel bus now, there's a show named Manchester in Naxalot.
Okay.
And Major Mackerel was on it. And when they backstage, him see me and he say, "What? Me go call you up." The man even wait and ask me if I want to go up. You know. The man said, "Me I go call you up." They start fret. Because me I say, "This big old show, you know, what me I go do?" And I want to tell you something, go up there, mash up the place. And the next year, I get booked for Naxalo because of that.